Hey guys, so here I am sitting in my studio, which used to be my office by the way, but now I'm art studio to be. And you can see here I have my gear. I'll just lift up the camera so you can see it. All the stuff here, well, the very little stuff, but the stuff I'm bringing with me on the Camino, because I head off tomorrow morning 5 to 7. I get the bus from Ballinrobe up to Galway and then take the 8:30 bus to the airport and meet my daughter Ellie at around 11:30 for a 1:30 flight down to Biarritz. And we'll stay the night in Biarritz tomorrow night, and then the following morning go up to Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port on the Saturday and get our Compostela, our passport signed, stamped, and find our auberge, and then Sunday morning we'll start our walk. Now, interestingly, I haven't done any walking since the last video. So I came back from my trip and my heel was sore and it got worse. We had a big hurricane in January and I went out for an unusual run and I ended up on the road in my trail shoes. And anyway, long story short, I damaged my plantar fascia, and I think I damaged it originally playing tennis a few months ago, but I damaged it anyway, and I haven't had a walk or a run for over 2 months, nothing. So all my training to get ready for this trip went to naught, and it was for naught. But it's been interesting. The 2 months have been sort of interesting since. I've been doing lots of exercise on my foot, and I ultimately ended up getting a cortisone injection into my heel, and hopefully it'll work. I got orthotics made at great expense, and I can hardly move in them, so I'm leaving those at home. I got Hoka Speed Goat 6 runners and trail runners, and that's what I'm going to travel in. I also got a pair of Hoka sandals that I'm going to bring with me, and pretty much this is the plan. I'm going to go with these and fingers crossed. So this is sort of a practice video as well. I'm doing it from my phone. My plan on the trip is to do a video every day like this, short video, and just upload it. And I'm using a new app that puts a day stamp and this kind of stuff on the map on it, and also that allows me to switch back and forth with the front and back camera, and we'll see how that goes. But my plan is to do this every day and be a little bit like Coronation Street, you know, and anybody who's interested can follow along and watch us do the Camino. I'm not going to journal. I think I had planned to journal, but I'm not going to journal. I'm bringing my iPad mini with a keyboard so I can work from there, and hopefully we do our walks, head off between 6 and 7 in the morning, we finish between 12 and 1 every day, and then at the afternoon to catch up on things, read the paper, do a bit of work and do whatever. So I'm really excited to get going. I just spoke to Ellie a moment ago on the phone and she seems super excited as well. So I'm ready to embark on this father-daughter trip. What more could a man ask for, huh? So I'll talk to you soon. There you go. Cheers.